APC. Now they talk for this side. APC. You get one important one for this side. APC. You don't say now units, that's the important pass. If all of us here deliver a unit, we don't win the election finish. Have it not been so? Have it not been so? I beg, I won't apologize to start with. You are not vexed. I don't say the time when we talk, say we will start this program. It don't take. I think that yesterday we say we will start this program. Not yesterday. Okay. Now no vex, it don't take. You get one place, you know say Delta big. You get one place when I first waka go for that side. The place get us a pay. So we are not vex. Say we come in late. We not plan am. Secondly, the talk when we can't talk, na talk when many of us don't know. Say now na Senate waka, and let me get the ticket for APC, for Delta South, for Senate.
APC!
To get ticket na one thing, to win na another thing. So the waka when the waka says na to convince una say make una go on Saturday. As una reach where they vote on Saturday, when they don't give una voting paper, una do to printing, una go press APC. Broom, where broom dey? Yes, so I think I get some of the papers for there. Anywhere you see broom, now you go press. Anywhere you see waiting, broom you go press. So broom you go press. So broom you go press. So I said broom, no other thing. When you press them, we collect the result together. That be say we don't win. Not be so. If we win self, waiting with a good. Not be just to win, no. To say we don't win Senate, but we they go there, go do work. Go do work. Many of our boys, many of our young people, our women, they nothing what they do. Meanwhile, get things where we feel put for ground, but we not fit do them because the law, when they say supposed to put them for ground, the law not there. So everything what they do, even when I get government, now waiting some things where person won't do, law not there. So you don't let person do it. Because when they ask me say, oh, you don't be governor, what do you go do for that side? And they go make sure say the law day when any governor, any president will use, they give our young people work. Many people from here, I just say from the oil produced community, some so. They get oil from that place, not be so. Who they pack the oil money they come out? Now, Shell don't take this side today. Chevron don't take. They get plenty. When they produce oil, plenty money now they pack good. Because now they get the company where they do have. When I the office, I say this company where Shell gets so. I beg, even I say you don't like money for back there. I said this money when all this company they pack go so. Time don't reach. When the people say they're not supposed to go with all the money, some of the money they must leave and back for our community. But we only fit do that if we get the law. When indicate say our community get part for the company. If na Shell, if na Chevron, if na whatever, our communities must be part of the companies. Because if our communities are part of the company, at the end of the year, when Shell declare profits, say this is a social amount they make go, they don't fit carry everything go. They must leave some for our community. Make that community say they develop. Make they say that children go school. Make they take they do hospital. Community fit do some of the thing wey government dey do so if money dey. E dey happen for other countries wey get oil. Why not fit happen for here? Company go just come, buy the oil, they will call all the money, they will pay some to federal government, they will carry the remaining. Nobody dey ask them, nobody dey talk to them. That time don't do. I say don't do. I don't see a crow, I don't work with them. I dey inside, so I know what they talk about. And I don't go feel understand some of the things. But you need somebody when you know. When you know the one when they play. When you know the tricks when they play. We don't say some of these companies. Not everything when they produce, when they see the export, neither they export. So we need somebody when you know when go make the law. The law when go tight them, when go tight everybody. Anybody when they come produce oil, the more law must tight them. So that some of the money go remain with us. Not be so. NNPC, oil companies, they go say they get what they call security contract. You don't hear about security contract before. Those security contracts, not the people they get them. One person go come from up north, one go come from up west, one go come from up east. They will come here, go get the security contract. And at dollars, they say they pay them. Dollars. When they get the contract finished, they'll just run come, hold one strong boy like Odebati. He get muzzle, now go fit keep the boys quiet. They'll just hold and say, okay, now this one be our eye for here. Then they will that here go to begin look for the boys. They employ them one by one. But what did they pay them? Small money. Meanwhile, this one they pay dollars so. You don't go change dollars, you go bring small, make Odebati take pay boys. Most of the dollars go take and go. The next thing, when I dey office, I go see some of them, they say they won't come greet me. I say, okay. When they come greet me, yeah. How you not take come? My private jet, the airport. Now, they understand what I talk to? Yes, sir. The money where they give them so, they first go buy private jets. And they'll take for Delta. You get private jets? So, the money, if they go, the money they go. But if now we make the law, say the security contract, now community, now they're going to give. Community go form company. When NNPC won't give contract, when Chevron won't give contract, when Shell won't give contract, now they must get to the company where the community is formed. Like everyone they talk so. So that the money go remain for the community. Community go pay their people, they go pay their past as they pay them now. Our boys go get work pass as they get now. This not the only place where they produce oil for this world. Though. You get place where they produce oil, and they don't suffer all this for the suffer too. Oil wells are better wells. Well, if you ask me, say, oh, where is the office? Why you not fit force them? I don't fit force them because law not dey. When law not dey, even if you be president, you know if you do anyhow. But the companies they go to do anyhow. NNPC they go to do anyhow. Then you get one thing when they talk saying that illegal refineries. Now don't hear about that before. Our boys they cook oil. When they cook the oil, it go turn to diesel, go turn to fuel. They will go sell them. But that process, it damage our environment well. Because they keep break pipeline to get the oil. Now when I dey office, I come dey ask all these engineers, say all this waiting our boys do so, the technology that they use so, we not fit modify them, we not fit do them when it go clean. They say why they ask so? I said because when I small, I stay with one of my aunties. When they cook gogoro, you know so gogoro, you go get take palm wine cook am, not be this ordinary palm wine no, those kokoro palm wine, when they produce ogoro, or you go put yeast, you go put sugar, you go put am for water, you go boil am, you go put correct pipe, then when the steam pass through water, wetin dey drop na ogogoro, not be so, that's why I take ogogoro now. People come say this is our Google when I people they cook so. It's an illicit gene. I don't hear illicit gene before. Papa go do what I call illicit gene. Because many people they born for here, they're not here to illicit gene. They come to arrest them. It's an illicit gene. They even jail some. As they arrest the jail some, so they come bring their own brandy, come bring whiskey. As they cook ogogoro, as they do brandy, they just color brandy, they just color whiskey. So the business when I told they do before, they say na illicit, say no good. They can't take work from them. Come go they do am, come they bring am, we come they buy am, plenty money. They feel good. Oh, I don't drink brandy today, I don't drink schnapps today. People they deprive. That be this cooking when they cook oil so. Fortunately, our people, one investment they call investment of petroleum technology for a fruit, they don't do the technology. You say when you manufacture those equipment, when all those boys go use to, it not go damage environment at all. Environment go dey clean. And if we give them fuel so that they don't go break pipeline, the fuel when they export so, give some of the fuel to them, maybe they cook this fuel. If that will happen, some of all these boys when they look at me so like this side too. 5, 6, 10, they come together. Get refinery. A small refinery, but the small refinery, you go employ people, you go give them money. They're not going to run from police, they're not going to run from soldier, they're not going to run from navy. They're going to go, they go drive Peter car, oh, I get refinery. Nobody go arrest them because the refinery, it don't get legalized. You know, that's what I talk to. Yes. All these things are possible if we get somebody when if you push up, or that push up. I know government well. Don't you want to government?
Yes, sir.
Government. I know government well. I know we have a pass under this thing. Go take us the pass. But if you don't know your road, you first go round. Before you go reach take us the pass, me I don't take us because I don't go. And right now, time when we go send people go Abuja when no government, no people when go there, don't know what to do. Not know what to talk, just be part of the team. No, we don't pass that stage. Our people for Warri North, security people, the job people, all the other people when they stay for Warri North, when they vote for Warri North, you know I see plenty of the other side. And they see Isha for there. For there, you. This is my mama on that side. So I beg, on Saturday we will go vote so that our voice will come up again for Abuja. I beg and the people on Saturday we will go vote. And our broom will go press. When you press and finish, they will teach you how to fold and put them forever. Not press 2 places so. Say that yes so. Yes. The paper when they give us so, the one for broom right at the top, not be so?
Yes, sir.
But that day if you reach there, not be the exact position where the broom go there. Because this one I just sample where we take each people where to press. So make you look for the one where broom day. If it dey middle, if it dey bottom, if it dey top, or look for where broom day. This kind of thing. Not be this one they call broom. I bet make you look for where broom day. Go press them on Saturday. And by the grace of God, our future will be bright. God bless you all.